These are supporting pillars. Supporting pillars for this side of the church. The other side have been completed. The supporting pillars and the side altars have been completed. So we are fixing the supporting pillars for this side of the church. Then after that, we now dig a foundation for the side altars. God bless. Tip of bringing sand for the work. So we have started digging the external pillars for the side altar. This side of the side altar. Now to on okay.
Yes, Father.
Jessica. Jessica. Hey, that's good. So sleep in the sun. So another trip of another tipper is coming. It's coming back again to tip another sand. Agulago. Agulago.